Yo, what is up guys? Welcome to another video on my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a Lego cube in Blender in basically under 2 minutes. So all you gotta do, delete those three and now add a cube. Once you add a cube, you can scale it down a little bit, like it can simulate a nice Lego cube base shape. And now what we want is basically a cylinder changed to 64 vertices and shaded out to smooth. And now let's increase it, maybe change the size of it, place it somewhere over here. Okay, cool. Now let's extrude it just a little bit. You can even put it just like this. And now we need the wireframe mode and numpad 7 just to see what exactly are we doing. So let's place it somewhere over here and maybe one down. Okay. So that's what we needed. And now let's just add an array modifier. So we need array. We're gonna change this to 1.5 maybe. It's too much or not. I think it's gonna be alright. So 1.5. That's what we needed. Let's apply all. Okay, let's just select and apply. Cool. Now we need another array modifier, but this time this one's going to be set to 0, and this one, let's see, I think it's going to be negative 1.5. Right, that's basically it. Apply the modifiers, boom, change back to this, and here it is. We got our Lego cube. Maybe we can even extrude or just move the cylinders a bit up, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna add some materials now. I don't want to, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.